I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you.
Hi and welcome to another video, or welcome back. My name is Lena and I give self-care and fashion content for moms. And if you're not a mom, of course you can keep on watching. So let's get into this video. Today's video is going to be about how to pack efficiently and how to pack for vacation. I'm going on a solo trip for my birthday and we are going to Cancun. So I'm gonna give you a couple of tips on how you can pack efficiently. The tip is going to be invest in some packing cubes. I have a couple in different sizes and it helps put everything into one place and make it compact so you can fit a lot in your suitcase. Second tip is also going to be invest in a multi-container where you can put different type of compartments in, like your vitamins. You see I got perfume here. It's just a lot of space and it's also compact. It folds up nicely and fits in the suitcase well. Third and final tip is going to be to plan your outfits. I'm one who likes to, of course, take pictures and content on vacation. So what I tend to do is lay out all my outfits and we're going to get into what I'm wearing. Not so much of what, but how I decide and why. Okay, so this section here is full of swimwear. I have a couple of different bathing suits, scarves, and some cover-ups right here to pack with me on vacation. I also have a beach bag here and a toiletry bag, which is right over there. And this is a sunglass case. I plan my outfits by color. So here you can see that I have this fuchsia and yellow color combo going on. And I plan on wearing one of these outfits for my birthday. And then I have an all-purpose bag that goes with each of the items. Also here I have like my neutral section. I try to pair like shoes along with outfits. So this is like browns and taupes color, and these are the shoes that I plan on wearing with these outfits. And then here I have like a cross between the white, and I also have the purse to match it. So white, and I also have hats. Then I have my toiletry bag. I like to bring paper towels because I find, like, you know, when you're washing your face in hotels, they don't have paper towels. I also have my pajamas, my like lounge wear in case I want to go get breakfast or something. I can just throw those on, and my workout outfits. So these things are what I use to pack when I am packing a carry-on, a check bag. I tend to not do carry-on only because I just don't have the patience to be taking things out, and I'm just like put it in and go. I pack all my valuables, anything designer, into my like book bag, and when I travel I usually bring a book bag, and I'm going to show you about that. This book bag is multi pockets. So I usually I will put like the Christian Dior slides, my Wear shirt, like I'll put stuff like that inside of my bag, and anything less like designer, because if it gets lost you can't replace that. But like my Shein stuff and things is just like whatever, I'll throw that inside of my checked luggage and pray. So let me get into this packing. I can show you guys how I pack everything and let's get right into it. So before I actually input things inside of my suitcase, I like to put them in my travel bags. And I'm gonna start with my shoes first. So like I said, the designer stuff, they go inside my book bag. So I put them in the dust bag, and whatever I'm putting in my backpack, I usually put to the side. But like, I don't, obviously these are designer dust bags and these shoes aren't designer, but I still like to put them in dust bags because I like to treat essentially all my stuff like it's designer when I'm packing. But like if it's like actual designer, it's gonna go with me. So you, baby, baby, baby. What I tend to do is I put the shoes in first, and then I gather all my bags and I just place them on top of each other so I'll know. And as well as my accessories, like this is a hat and my glasses. So my toiletry bag and my makeup bag. So all of this stuff will go on one side of the suitcase, just in case anything spills, like makeup or toiletry products. It'll spill on one side of the bag. I'd rather spill on bags and shoes versus the actual clothing items. So next we are going to pack the clothing items. When I'm packing my bag, I like to keep the outfits the same. I'm going to use this big bag. This one is actually for coats and like down stuff, heavy sweaters and whatnot, but I'm going to actually pack this stuff in here, and I'm going to try to keep the outfits together. So like this. So all my outfits fit in this bag, with the exception of this sleeper dress and the Loewe shirts, because both of these are over $300 and I'm not putting this underneath the airplane. So next are going to be bathing suits, and I don't know if anyone else is like this. I get in around 3 or 4, and when I get to my destination, I'm going to want to get in the water and get in the pool and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and put one bathing suit aside so I can already just have it in my to-go. I'm going to drop my luggage off, change it to my bathing suit, shower, change it to my bathing suit, of course, and then I'm going to want to just go ahead and get in. I know the pool's probably closed like around 7, so at least I get like 1 or 2 hours to be in the water. So I'm going to put this brown set in my to-go, and I usually just pack these how it is. I leave them in the Shein bags because honestly they compress pretty well. Next, I have my workout pajama clothes. I'm gonna put these in here. If there's room for my swimsuits, I might put them back inside this bag as well.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending.
I like to keep everything as compressed as possible. Now that everything is packed and in order, let's go ahead and put everything into the suitcase.
Let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow down. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge.